How to install Teamviewer in mobile. So there's two options that you can actually pull this off. You can just go ahead to your official app store, and from here you gotta just search for Teamviewer, okay? And from here you gotta just go ahead right here and click the app, and you gotta just go ahead and click get, and you gotta download the app. The second option, if you haven't found it on your iOS, you gotta just go ahead to your browser, okay? And from here, you gotta just type TeamViewer iOS, and from here, you gotta just click the app. And probably, most likely, for vast majority, if you haven't actually seen the app in your app store, probably is not available in your location, okay? Next step, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead into opening the app, okay, TeamViewer. And from here, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and agree and continue. And please read the policy before you agree to it. And I'm gonna just allow notifications, and I'm gonna just get to know the team viewer, okay? And from here, I'm gonna just see the connect computers and chats and solutions and whatnot, okay? And now what I'm gonna do in the settings below right, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and sign in or sign up. And from here, I'm gonna just sign up with my account. I'm gonna just add my email. From here, I'm gonna just add my name, password, and confirm. And you're gonna start sign up, and you're gonna see the interface just like this. And you're gonna just enter your remote device ID, and from here you're gonna just control it from here, and you get to see the chat with a lot of people in the computers as well, and to give access to your computer and contacts, so you can actually freely control it from your palm of your hand. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.